With Archie AI, as I had mentioned, you can do some PR reviews. And in this case, the way you get started is you start out with PR review, then you can see this page and you can see that analytics, which provides you with the details of the repository. We're not going to cover that, but as you can see, the best way to get started here is to start with GitHub, and you configure this GitHub. Once you configure it, you can then select a list of repositories, as you can see them here. I've already created a bunch of these, as you can see them. Now let's just open up one of these just to get a sense of what it covers. As you can see here, each of the repos allows you to give you a lot more details. So for example, you can select review every PR on open, auto-update the PR summary and title submitted by the author, inline code improvements. You can also ask a bunch of things to the existing PR, create interactive walkthrough of changes. At some point, we're going to also not only allow for changes that are incremental, but also since it understands the entire code base, you can understand the lot more details about the PR itself. Ignore some bot generated PRs, perform a complete review, perform an incremental review. This is what I mentioned in terms of being able to understand the full code base and then be able to do only the incremental part of the review or describe the entire PR changes. In addition, you can also select how many code suggestions you want and then use the prefix to call out something like work in progress or draft and then additional information. In the next video, I'm going to show you a little bit more about what specifically that you would need to provide in terms of how it looks on the GitHub repo. So let's take a look at that. As in the previous demo, I showed you how I set up my PR review on Tabby. Next is once you create a pull request and you be able to see all the details by using Archie AI, you can see that there's a very detailed peer review summary here. We go over the logical error analysis. So the new function is string ts, doesn't handle the errors. You can also see some regex matchers, and there is no fallback. It also gives some test coverage information and also security analysis. I think that one of the best things about RGI is being able to understand the security part of it. You can see here a lot more details about security, and some of the PR reviews will actually cover that in a lot more detail. Thank you so much.